Hello, library friends. This is Diane from the Charles H. Stone Memorial Library, and today we're celebrating Earth Day, so we're going to make a little project with some recycled goods that will help you to start a garden. So, what we're going to make is a seed starter. And you can see I've already put some dirt inside, and it holds it nicely. And the wonderful thing about this is that you don't have to worry about those plastic containers that once your seedling is started have to be removed out of the container to go into the ground. As this can go right into the ground and it's compostable. So all you need to make this is some newspaper and a can, empty can. What you do first is open up your newspaper and tear it in half right down the center seam. And it's okay if it doesn't rip perfectly. And then you can discard one half and you'll tear the other half. Again, right down the center seam. And there you go. So you just need one square of paper for each pot that you're going to be making. Once you have your square, you'll just fold it in half and make a nice crease right down the middle. Then you're going to take this edge and fold it just about an inch over and make another nice crease there. So you have a little flap. Once you have that, you're going to turn it and place your can on top so that it's overlapping a little bit and the empty side with the hole is facing out. So you have a solid side down here. You'll take this newspaper and gently wrap it around your pot. Once you have it all the way wrapped around, just hold that seam so that it doesn't come unwrapped. And we're going to fold the bottom under. Just press it onto the solid part of the can. And we're going to fold it. It'll probably take 4 folds to get it to go all the way flat. And there you go. Then you can stand it up and you see it's just wrapping around your pot, your can. And we're going to wiggle that little can out. And then you can see there's a little bit of a flap here. And that's why we folded the flap to start with, so that we can tuck it under. And it will hold it in place for you. Then all you have to do is fill your little pot with dirt and a seed and some water, and you are ready to go. We hope that you have a wonderful Earth Day and you have a nice garden.